It's Saturday morning, a perfect time for a trip to the mall. Let's go shopping together. Today we'll learn some helpful English phrases while we shop. Come along and join our friends on a Saturday shopping trip. Meet our shoppers. Each one has a useful English phrase to share with you. Brittany arrives at the mall early. She's hoping to find a new purse and a pair of jeans. She asks the salesperson, "Excuse me, what time do you open today?" The clerk lets her know the store opens at 9 a.m. Willow enjoys window shopping. She likes looking around but usually doesn't buy anything. When a clerk offers help, she simply says, "No thank you, I'm just browsing." Emma is always careful about prices. She asks, "How much is this?" She enjoys finding things on sale and is good at spotting bargains and discounts. Emily likes to go shopping at the mall during her lunch break from work. She wants a top in a different color, so she asks the salesperson, "Do you have this in blue?" As the day goes on, the shopping mall gets a bit busier. Frankie has a lot of clothes to try on in different sizes and colors. She says to the store clerk, "Excuse me, where are the fitting rooms? I'd like to try these on." She wants to make sure everything fits well. Sydney needs a shirt in a different size. She asks the salesperson, "Do you have this same shirt in a medium size?" The salesperson says, "I think we do. Let me check in the back for you. I'll be right back." Rosa wants to return a shirt she bought yesterday. She says to the salesperson, "I would like to return this. Here's my receipt." He replies, "No problem. I can give you a refund." Deborah enjoys finding good deals. She asks, "Is this on sale?" The clerk answers, "Yes, everything is 50% off today." Paula likes to pay for everything with her phone. She asks the salesperson, "Can I pay with my phone?" The clerk replies, "Yes, of course. Just tap your phone right here." Elena needs to exchange a gift for a different size. She asks, "Can I exchange this for a different size?" The employee says, "Absolutely. Do you have your receipt?" Claire always checks the closing time. She asks, "Excuse me, what time do you close today?" He answers, "We close at 8:30 p.m. today. You have plenty of time to shop." And sometimes you just need to ask, "Where's the restroom?" Or you might tell the salesperson, "Yes, I'd like a bag, please." We hope you've learned some helpful English phrases with us today. Remember to like and subscribe for more English learning adventures.